Hello and welcome. My name is Natalie, and today we're going to practice a full system reset meditation. And this meditation combines some techniques of body scan and breath as a simple way to recalibrate when you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or simply needing to take a break from the day-to-day of running a business. And before we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit and minimize distractions for a few moments. And when you're ready, go ahead and let your eyes gently close or find a soft gaze. And now that you've arrived, let's take a clearing breath together. Go ahead and exhale everything out of your lungs. And through the nose, take a deep breath in. Hold the breath at the top. Connect with the sense of stillness. And then let out an audible sigh. Let it go. And now this time, inhale for a count of 4 seconds. Hold the breath for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 4. And hold the breath at the bottom for a count of 4. And we'll repeat this box breathing for a few moments. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. And pause. Again, inhale. Pause. Exhale, and pause. And now let your breath find a comfortable pace. Come back to your natural breathing. And as you breathe, start to bring your awareness to the top of your head. And as if your awareness was a gentle stream of relaxation, start to invite your body to soften. Let your awareness come down your forehead and invite your eyebrows to unfurrow. Gently scanning the face for tension, start to let the jaw unclench. And for a moment, see what it feels like to just let the bottom and top teeth separate for a second. Slowly become aware of the neck. Move the shoulders down and away from the ears. Relaxing down the chest, the arms. And imagine that you were opening a closed fist and bring that sensation to the hands. Let the belly soften and let the spine be long, but also let it take its natural curvature while being relaxed. Scanning the hips, the legs, relaxing all the way down to your toes. And now rest here for a few moments. With each inhale, let the body relax deeper. With each exhale, release a little bit more tension from the body. And feel free to stay here for as long as you need. And whenever you're ready to resume your day, start to bring movement into the fingertips, the toes. Maybe gently rock the head side to side. And finally, let the eyes flutter open. Thank you for taking the time to reset today. I hope you're feeling more centered and equipped to take on whatever the day brings. And know that you can come back to this reset whenever you need.